Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are going to learn al-marfu'at, nominative nouns in Arabic inshallah. Previously we learned that there are three end cases of Arabic nouns. First one al-marfu', nominative case. Second one al-mansub, accusative case. And the last one al-majroor, genitive case. But what are the nouns that belong to each of these? Today we will start by discussing the nouns that fall into the category of the nominative case, halatul raf'i, and then we'll continue with other cases, al-mansub and al-majroor. Al-marfu', that is the nominative nouns or nominatives, or what we call in Arabic as al-marfu'at. Al-marfu'at are the nouns that are marked by a dhamma for mufrad or jam'u taksir, broken plural or irregular plural, or jam'u muannath salim, sound feminine plural. In these cases, the word takes dhamma. Example, at-talibu is a singular word, takes dhamma. At-tullabu is jam'u taksir, broken plural, takes also dhamma. And at-talibatu, jam'ul muannath salim, sound feminine plural, also takes dhamma. The nouns can also be considered as al-marfu'at if they are muthanna, if they take alif and nun, or if they are jam'ul mudhakkar salim, sound masculine plural nouns, if they take waw and nun. Examples, al-mudarrisu is a singular word. The dual form of al-mudarrisu will be al-mudarrisani, and jamul mudhakkar salim form for al-mudarris will be al-mudarrisuna. We added alif nun for muthanna and waw nun for jamul mudhakkar salim. These are also considered as al-marfu'at. Now let's learn what are the nouns, what are the categories of nouns that fall into the category of al-marfu'at. First one, al-mubtada wal-khabar, the subject and the predicate. Examples, at-talibu mujtahidun, for singular nouns. At-talibu mujtahidun, the student is hardworking. And dual nouns, at-talibani mujtahidani, two students are hardworking. At-tullabu mujtahiduna, the students, male students are hardworking, and this is broken plural. And the last one, at-talibatu mujtahidatun, the students, the female students are hardworking. The first one singular, mubtada and khabar. Second one muthanna, both are muthanna, mubtada and khabar. The third one, the mubtada or the subject is broken plural, but the adjective is, the khabar is jamul mudhakkar salim. And the last one, jamul muannath salim, both of them, the mubtada and the khabar. The second category is al-fa'il, the verbal subject or doer. It's called the verbal subject because this subject is derived from a verb fa'ala, to do. Examples, yajlisul waladu, the boy is sitting or the child is sitting. Al-waladu is fa'il or doer, it takes dhamma and it is marfu'. Yajlisul awladu, the boys are sitting or the male children are sitting. Al-awladu is jamu taksir, broken plural, and it is also marfu'. Tajlisul muallimatu, the teachers, female teachers are sitting. Al-muallimatu is marfu', it takes dhamma. Yajlisul waladani, two boys are sitting. Al-waladani, two boys is fa'il and it is also marfu'. Yajlisul muallimuna, the teachers, male teachers are sitting. Al-muallimuna jamul mudhakkar salim, it takes واو نون and it is also مرفوع. The third one, نائب الفاعل, the substitute of verbal subject or doer. It's also called المفعول الذي لم يسمى فاعله, the object whose subject is not mentioned. It is that noun which is the fa'il of a فعل مجهول, passive voice. The original fa'il is dropped and the maf'ul object substitutes it. Examples: فتح الباب, the door was opened. Maf'ul becomes fa'il, naibul fa'il. It takes dhamma in this case. Another example: سرق الكتاب, the book was stolen. We don't know who stole the book. It is passive voice. Number 4, اسم كان وأخواتها, the noun of كان and her sisters. كان الولد مريضا. الولد is the noun of كان and it is مرفوع, takes ضمة. The boy was sick. أصبح الطالب نشيطا. The student became smart, hardworking. ليس الامتحان صعبا. The exam is not difficult. الامتحان is اسم ليس, is one of the sisters of كان. It takes ضمة and it is مرفوع. Number 5, خبر إن وأخواتها, the predicate of إن and her sisters. إن الامتحان سهل. In the above cases, the khabar takes fathatain, and in this case it takes dhamma. It becomes marfu' because it is khabar of inna. Indeed, exam is easy. علمت أن المدرس جديد. I learned that the teacher is new. جديد is khabar of أن and it is marfu'. Next one, number 6, اسم ما ولا المتشبهتين بليس. The noun of لا and ما, which are similar to ليس. It does the work of ليس. ما زيت قائما. زيت is not standing. زيت is اسم ما. It takes ضمة and it is مرفوع. Or لا رجل أفضل منك. No man is better than you. رجل is اسم لا, which does the work of ليس. And number 7, خبر لا النافية للجنس, the predicate of لا used for negating collective nouns. Example: لا أحد غائب. غائب is خبر of لا, which is negating collective nouns. No one is absent. And the last one, التابع لاسم مرفوع, anything that follows مرفوع nouns, the noun that follows the nominative noun. It could be الصفة or النعت, the adjective. Example: جاء المدرس الجديد. The new teacher came. الجديد is adjective and it follows the noun المدرس, which is مرفوع, takes ضمة. Or it can also be العطف, the conjunction. جاء أحمد وحسن وخالد. Ahmed, Hassan and Khalid came. These are all مرفوع nouns. They all follow the first مرفوع noun, which is أحمد. And that's all today. I hope this lesson was beneficial. We'll try to explain al-mansubat in the next lesson inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.